Inside your PlanPlus online account, it's sort of inevitable that over time you're going to create certain duplicates inside the database. So, for example, if I'm looking at contacts, I happen to sort by some criteria. I can see that Sam Ford and Sam Ford happen to show up twice. Now, their company relationship is a little bit different, and their email is different, but I know in this specific case, Sam Ford is Sam Ford. It's one and the same. Same thing with organizations. Go over here into organizations. If I do a quick look here and I sort by company name, I see ABC Company as well as ABC Co. Now, if I look at the details of each one of these, I may in fact have a different address. That's okay, but still I know, because I'm working with both of these organizations, that they are the same. So what I want to do is have a way that I can merge these two organizations without losing any of the data. So let me walk through this with you here. Now, first of all, ABC Company has this Rio Grande address, and ABC Co. has the Beverly Hills address. Well, I don't want to lose either one of those addresses because, in fact, they are the same company. But let's do this now. I go into Organization, do Advanced Search, and here I can look for my most recent searches. I just did this earlier so I could find these organizations. Contains ABC, right? Go down here and I do my search, and here are the two companies. Now, if I were to click here, I'll be selecting both of those, or I could select them one at a time if I had numerous, whatever. Now that I've picked these two, I'm going to go ahead and update a value. Look down here and you'll see what we're looking for, and that's this opportunity to merge the selected data. So I'm going to force merge. I get a pop-up window. Move this over here so you can see what it says. It says, because I've selected those two organizations, ABC Company and ABC Co., are you sure you want to merge these records? Yes, merge these records. So I go ahead and do that. Data merging that was successful. Now if I go back and I look at the organizations, I only have one organization now. And what it did was take the most recently updated organization. So if I look at this, I should not have lost any of my addresses. So if I look at the address, I should see, in fact, the two addresses that I had before. Now I can go ahead and, if I want to, since I have the two addresses, I can make one primary, or I can also edit this and change the type of the address to being maybe the shipping address or billing address, whatever I want. But you see, that was fairly easy. I could do the same thing over here in contacts. Again, if I were to search for, do an advanced search, and my most recent search included the search for Sam Ford. I find that Sam Ford is a duplicate in the database. Here I am now looking at contacts, same thing. I can click here, update a value, and again, if I go down here, I'll say force merge selected data. Well, I'm not going to go ahead and run that, but the same thing would happen. Once I click that, then it says Sam Ford, are you sure you want to merge these records? Yes. So the same thing will happen with contacts as it just did with organizations. Very nice way to keep your data clean inside your PlanPlus online account.